doing here?
We gotta film a room tour.
Oh, jeez. All right. Well, welcome to Pop Century. We're in the 90s building because what's more 90s than me? Or you?
Me.
You. You are more 90s than me. This is our room. It is a beautiful room. So this is a table. 2 chairs, great. This is great for like eating together in here. That was probably one of my biggest issues of the Polynesian room, was that there was no like table for us to like sit down at and like eat together, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I have to eat on the bed.
Yeah. And then this is a bed. Look how cute Pluto is. But you have a really cute light switch here. I think Pluto's adorable. Bed looks nice and clean. It's very comfortable. It also looks to be on an angle. Super easy to move back and forth. So you have 2 outlets and 2 USB ports over here, as well as like a little cubby, which is nice. So if you are sleeping here, you have this, and if not, you have extra room for charging stuff. And then you have 2 more over here next to the queen size bed. You have the fridge and a coffee maker. You have another little drawer here to put stuff. Cups, ice bucket. You have another outlet over here. Down there, 2 outlets. This is a really nice TV, really big. You have 2 USB ports over here, 2 USB ports over here. I love that. Lots of, you know, room for clothes, lots of drawer space. And then you go in here, you have the safe, you have an extra pillow. This is one of my favorite parts, this hook. You can put your fanny packs, your bags, your hats. It's just, a lot of people aren't crazy about the refurb of Pop Century, but I think it's nice. Another thing I love about this bed is that you can, you know, it's raised. The frame is raised, so you can. We're gonna put our suitcases right under there, so we're gonna have a lot of room to store things in here. Honestly, here's the bathroom. Bathroom's really nice. You have lots of space here. You got hangers, some cubbies in here. You can put a suitcase in here. Here's the ironing board. You got some extra toilet paper, tissues, iron, and a hair blower thing.
A blow dryer?
Blow dryer. Oh, so you can put more. I wouldn't put too much more on that, but yeah. Nice sink here. No double sink, but whatever. It's fine, like getting ready at separate times. It's fine with me. You have more storage space over there, which is really nice. Lots of storage space, actually. Got a good flush to it. Towels, a nice bathroom. I love the sliding doors. Nice big tub.
The tile work is pretty.
Oh, look at you got a really great shower head in there.
Oh, it's like a...
You got a doubler.
I guess that would be like a rainfall shower.
Yeah. But yeah, we love it here. It's nice. You know, it's nothing fancy, but it's a good place to hang out and chill after a long day in the parks.
Yeah, the last time we were here, they didn't have the Skyliner, so I'm excited
to get
so
the Skyliner's here. I think they have like the best like hotel store on property. Yeah, everything pop.
I want to get some everything pop merch.
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure.
Pop Century.
I love Pop Century. It's one of my favorites.
I'm so excited to be here.
Pool popping. Oh, and the gentleman who helped us with our luggage was so sweet. We hugged him at the end. He was just a wonderful man. He was so helpful. Gave us the Disney magic right away. Yeah, so we're gonna end our tour here. I hope you enjoyed it, and let us know if you have any questions about staying at Pop Century.
Oh, what's our room number?
8330.
8330.
We're on the 3rd floor. Okay, here we go.
Let's go to Disney Springs now.
Let's go.